Hello everyone, I am Fatima Sayo. I am from Algeria, exactly in North Africa. I hold master's degree in Tamazight specialization in dialect. So I have 7 experience in teaching, 6 years in high school and 1 year in elementary school. Today I am here to show you how we teach Tamazight language. أزول في اللون اسمه فاطمة سايل مكينين من الجزائر بنت في الخليفة ساعة جالس نتمزيغت نتبغ نستوي التلفزيون ساعة تزراوث إنسان ثريوين ساعة سبعة غيسكوسن نتلميذ بوسلمذ ساعة غيسكوسن تسماويث يوم سواس ذوك غرباز أمزوارو Before to start, I will give you some introduction in Tamazight. Tamazight is the language of Imazighen people. Imazighen people live in North Africa. Tamazight has varieties of dialects like Tashawid, Tamzavid, Tashrhid, Tamashaq, Tamahaq, Taqbaylis. The alphabet in Tamazight has 33 letters, 26 included in English, the other letters don't include in English. أجمعين تمازيغ غورس كراض نتماروين في كراض يسكيلو سنة نتماروين سديس لاند بثوثلاث نتكليزيث ويا أولا شيثن. Let's go to start. أجمعين نتمازيغ is alphabet in Tamazight. أجمعين نتمازيغ أسكيلم زوارو أغرا this one is a vowel. أغرا the pronunciation أتتنطق أ. Let's go to give example in Tamazight. MD is example. Amen is water. Amen. Amen is water. The pronunciation is A. The second letter is B, like in English, but this letter has double pronunciation. We can pronounce B, we can pronounce V. B or V. This one is the pronunciation for the letter B. لازم أتي ننطق ب، لازم ننطق V. هاد الفكرة مزيان example. مزيان ب ربيان is God. V مزيان example with is every. We write it with B, but we pronounce it V. The pronunciation is V. Every, no abrev. Most of word in Tamazight pronounce with V, no with B. Every. We have some word we pronounce with B. We have just some word. But usually, sumata نتنطق V. We pronounce with V. The third letter is sh, like in English, like sheet, sheep. This one is sh. Let's go to give example in Amdia, Amshish. Amshish, this one sh. This letter is sh. After that, like chips in English, we have the letter ch. Let's go to give example. Amdia with the ch. We can say ich. It's the verb. Ich. That means eat. The other letters is D. We have double pronunciation. لازم أتيد نصدق مرتين. لازم أدينيو D. لازم أدينيو ذ. ذ or D. أمديا أدري كم دياس D. Let's go give example with D. ثداث. ثداث. D. This one is that. ثداث. With th, we can't give example with th. This one is d. This one is th. You can say also every. We have example th with th. Or Adrar is the mountain. Adrar. Let's go to give example in Adrar. Here is d. Here is th. Here ثداث with that. Here is th. أذرار. After d we have ظ. We write d like that, but with that under this pronunciation is ظ. Let's go to give example with other. This one is the other. The letter E in Tamazight, his name is Ilm, is the vowel. Ilm, the same Ilm because it's silent, is nothing. We cannot pronounce this letter in Tamazight. Alif Kamdia, Amdia, Yimna. Yimna. This one is Ilm. You cannot say Yimna. F is like in English also. Let's go give example with F. Amdia, Afus. Afus. With F. This letter we can pronounce double pronunciation. We can say Y or G. Voiceless and voiced. Amdia. Ego is 5e. Ego. This one is a G. Let's go to give example with G. Agrud. Agrud is baby. Agrud. This one is G. This one is G. Agrud. This letter is letter J. With J. Let's go to give example with J. And if come here with J is J. Let. G is let me. J. This letter is Ha. Ha. Like head in English. Let's give example in Ha. Ha. Ahrawan. Ahrawan is mean large. Rawan. This letter is Ha. Is like Ha, but we have that under. Let's go give example with Ha. Like Ohrish. Ohrish is adjective. Ohrish is means smart. Igri, this one is the vowel. Igri, this pronunciation is Alif Kamdia. Kamdia with Imi. Like in English. Let's go to give example with Let's go to give example with like agenouiller. 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 The letter K we can pronounce h or k. Voiceless, voiced. Like a hell. A hell. This one is h. And if you can deal with this one is mdia. And if you can deal with k, like curl, curl, stand up. Curl. This one is h, a hair. This one is k, k, curl. L, n. It's the same thing in English. Let's go give example. L, mdia. في ملالين في ملالين is eggs in English, eggs. Let's go to give example with ثمي 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 like ثنيلا is the direction. ثنيلا. ثنيلا is the direction. Let's repeat with me. أهروان أحريش يغري إيمي أجنوي أخل كر في ملالين في مي ثانيلا. We don't have O and P in Tamazight. ولاش O P في Tamazight. This pronunciation is qa. qa. أمدي with qa. أقروي. أقروي. أقروي is mean head. This one is r. This one is r. R and ra. Ra, let's go to give example with ra. Eru is the verb right. Eru. This one is ra. Ra is voiced. Let's go to give example with ra. Ra, arwir. Arwir is mean I'm full. Arwir. Eru, ra, and ra, arwir. This one is like in English, s. This one s, s, s. This one s. This one is s, s. And if can down, let's go to give example with s. Su, some. Su, some. Su, su, some. This one is sa, sa. Let's go to give example with sa. Assorti. Assorti. Assorti is mean money. Assorti. This letter we can pronounce double pronunciation t or th. We have this letter also in English. Let's go to give example with t. With it like thanent. 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 This one is with th, but this one is t. For example, with the so we can takshish. And yeah, we can say takshish is girl. Takshish. This one is t, thanent. This one is th, takshish. Most of words in English is pronunciation with th. No with t. We have just a little bit word with t. But most of them is with th. Let's go to repeat with me. ق أقروي ر إرو ر ر أروير س سو سم ص أسردي ت تممت ث تخشيشت. This letter is the letter ta. Ta. Let's go to give example with ta. أمديا MDR with da is fet, 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 fet. U is ugro. This one is vowel. Also in Tamazight is ugro. Ugro. Let's go to give example with ugro is u. U. This pronunciation is u. U. MDR. Ul is heart. Ul. Ul. U. Ul. We don't have V in Tamazight. We say we have B, is this pronunciation V. Just the pronunciation. We have pronunciation V, but we cannot write V. ولا شيء للمنطق. This one is و. أمديا with و. أوال is mean word. أوال. This one is أمديا with أخام. أخام is house. أمديا. يتشا is ate, is the verb in the past. Ate, يتشا. يتشا. Then we have z, we have z. Voices and voices, z and z. Z. أمديا with أمديا. أزول. Azul is mean hi, hello. Azul. Azul. Z. This one is z. Z. Amdia with z. Z. Like easy. Eat. Easy. Okay. Let's go to repeat with me. Top. Fet. U. Ul. We don't have V in Tamazight. We cannot write V. وليش V. و. أول. خ. أخان. يا. يتشا. ز. أزول. ز. easy. We have also the letter R in Tamazight and غ. ع. ألف كلمة ساعة like أعبوظ. 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 غ. ألف كلمة example with غ. أغروم. أغروم is bread. أغروم. عبود. غ. أغروم. Let's go to do exercise. Simple exercise is dictation. أنت مثلا هزبوث. I will tell you some words. You will write me correctly this word. أمديا. في لي. في لي. في لي. في لي. ثقمشت. ثقمشت. زقواغ. 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 أذرخان. 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 لمري. 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 أجفا. 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 ثغنست. ثغمست ثغمست ثفلويث 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 إضر 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 إزوران 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 إمرو 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 الجرس أدنى عوض كيل اللي باقموش زقوا أبركان يمري أجفا ثغمست ثفلويث إذرن إزوران إمرو ثاني